Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to fastly turn on and off this option and then how to customize it. So all we have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully to see all of those icons, and we have to find the option Nightlight with this eye icon, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. All you have to do is to tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So it will be easier to use the device. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you want to enter the settings, so if you want to customize the night light, simply tap on it and hold it, and then you should be dragged to the settings. But if for some reason this option does not work, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get to those options. So we have to enter the settings, and then let's go to the display. And here we have to find eye comfort, which is quite strange because the eye comfort, this mode is named eye comfort in the settings. However, in those shortcuts, it is nightlight. Quite confusing, but you have to tap on eye comfort. So let me turn it on, and as you can see, we've got this switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. Currently it is on the warmest side. You can go to the left and make it much cooler, and basically there's no difference between the mode turned on and off whenever you've got it on the coolest setting. So it's of course up to you which option you want to use. Of course, you can schedule that feature also. Let's tap on it. We've got 3 different options. The option None is the option where you have to manually turn on and off the eye comfort. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, and you can pick it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's of course up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.